A place to call home, blooming with opportunities for growth and progress. The Integrated Community Development Project ICDP, implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund JSIF and funded by a loan made available by the World Bank, has laid the foundation and has put in the work to create this environment in selected economically vulnerable and socially volatile communities in Jamaica.
We've targeted 18 communities through the ICDP. And we believe that we've done a significant transformation in these communities. We engage the community-based organization. They become registered as a legal entity. They sign financing agreements to implement the projects. It allows communities and the residents to see that their leaders can be accountable, their leaders can be effective, and their leaders have the capacity to build their own future.
The ICDP has played a major role in facilitating the cleanup and beautification of communal spaces.
Solid waste management was prioritized by the residents in the communities as one of those areas that need to be addressed in order to get true transformation of the communities. We have seen significant improvements in the cleanliness of the communities and sustainable disposal of waste, including burning and dumping in the gullies, has decreased significantly.
Working as an environmental warden, we pick up the garbage, we store it where we're supposed to put it, and we talk to the residents in the community. Said, you must not throw the rubbish on the road. You just put them in one bag and put them at the drum that JSIF provided.
The Safe Passages, Safe Routes to School initiative seeks to improve public safety by providing safe passage to approximately 5,500 student commuters who travel daily along specific routes.
When we came into the communities, we saw a number of issues. The students were walking in the street, they were competing with different cars, there were a number of accidents along the route, and so we definitely knew that we needed to do an intervention here.
It was really difficult because when cars were passing, we have to be walking over the bushes.
For the Yorktown project, approximately 450 meters of guardrails were installed, approximately 450 meters of sidewalk was actually constructed. We also had road safety signs installed along the way, pedestrian crossings. We also have murals. We also did a bus stop.
We can walk safely, the railings protect us from the cars.
The ICDP has strengthened the capacity of schools to deliver quality education and support services of the highest quality.
We made sure that we were able to provide different kinds of manipulatives, learning aids, books, textbooks, 3D equipment. We partnered with the Ministry of Education, particularly the core curriculum unit, to ensure that the teachers received the requisite training that they needed.
It was very good, very enlightening, and I was able to bring across that training to the subject areas that I teach.
It has helped us so much in the classroom. We have been able to practically demonstrate using the manipulatives that we have gotten from JSIF.
A lot of our achievements, whether for literacy, numeracy, or the whole holistic development as well as the ambience of our school, is because of JSIF.
The ICDP also provided much-needed support to small business operators facing economic challenges through its enterprise development grants.
The enterprise development grant component saw funding being channeled to 170 micro-enterprises across 7 communities. And these enterprises benefited from equipment supplies. They also got business development training.
I received a stitch and serge, and I received a straight stitch, and I received a cutter. It changed my life that I can do my things on time. And I can employ more people that can make you earn more.
The story of ICDP is a story of transformation, not only in terms of the physical environment, but also some of the non-visible things like the transformation of the people and how they collaborate to produce and to contribute towards their own development.
JSIF is an organization where come to help poor people.
You are so good to us, JSIF. We love you, JSIF.